My name is Claire DeWitt, and I am currently interning at Blue Orchid Hotels in London. I work in their marketing department, so I do a lot of social media work. I create blogs, Instagram posts, Twitter posts, all social media fronts. I do a lot of content with what the City of London is putting on, what restaurants we have, what shows are happening, and it's all going directly onto the website. So it's a lot of responsibility for me to make sure everything is perfect. People in my office environment are very kind and easygoing and helpful with anything that you need. So for me, having my first real office internship here has been super helpful. And on top of that, just being in London is such a special experience, being able to live here and get a feel for what it's like to actually live, work, go to school. I think one thing that I have definitely learned while living in London full-time is having confidence in knowing that I can get anywhere. Getting to school, getting to work, getting home, going out, you have to know where you're going, what tube line you need to get on. In everything I'm doing, I think my confidence has grown a lot.